Hey guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go crash in a little bit, so yeah. And yes, from now on, there's gonna be only one Minecraft episode every week from now on. And it will be uploaded on Mondays. And I'm hoping it will be done before Monday is over, so yeah. Yep. Yep. Just relaxing right now. Daphne came in to visit me for a little bit, so yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's my cat. Yeah, she was named after a Scooby-Doo character, so yeah. Yeah. But I nicknamed her Baby Girl. So yeah. That's it, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and of course join the Husky Wolf Pack. Bye, guys.